demonstration video presents an overview of the COALA Augmented Manufacturing Analytics Assistant, a tool that aids factory workers in performing time-consuming and information-intensive tasks. The COALA system is utilized by operators and lab supervisors at Whirlpool EMEA to enhance their operational efficiency. COALA enables operators to conduct quality control tests on products, ensuring the integrity of all product components. COALA incorporates a user-specific checklist tailored to the operator's level of experience. Furthermore, COALA provides assistance in recording defect incidents during the quality control process. Lab supervisors utilize COALA to access a range of analytical views, including prescriptive, descriptive, and predictive analytics pertaining to defect incidents. This empowers supervisors to make informed decisions and take preemptive actions. Some key functions of the COALA Digital Intelligent Assistant are demonstrated in this video. Users can easily explore COALA's capabilities by asking, "What can you do?" The system promptly presents a list of suggested functions, allowing users to choose their preferred option and proceed.
What can you do?
I am an assistant for augmented quality analytics. That means I help you analyze quality data, make predictions, and access facts about products. I can assist you with various tasks. You can select one of the following requests to get started.
Once connected to the Analytics Assistant, operators can initiate the quality testing checklist by asking COALA to start the quality testing checklist. COALA will guide operators to the corresponding step in the checklist that requires attention. At each step, users have the option to request additional information, proceed to the next step, or record any detected defects.
Connect me to Analytics Assistant.
I am already listening.
Start the quality testing checklist.
Please use your app to scan the item's barcode. Welcome to the quality control process. The first checklist step is related to the component label. The objective is to check for readable barcodes. Verify in 20 seconds. For the objective, check for readable barcodes, you need to use the scanner to check readability. Check for readable barcodes, completed. The next step is related to the component label. The objective is to check for correct barcodes. Verify in 20 seconds. You can report one of the following defect characteristics for this step. Valid defect severity values for the given component and defect description are listed below. Please choose an option. I registered the following defect in the defect collection system. Defect ID 2647, component, label, has defect, wrong, with severity, high. Do you want to continue with the quality testing checklist?
Lab supervisors can access descriptive analytics through COALA. They can request specific views, such as defect Pareto, most frequent defect, and most critical defect in a given time frame. Additionally, they can perform root cause analysis to identify underlying issues in the production line.
What are the top 5 defects since February 2023?
Is your inquiry general or related to a particular product? Please use your app to scan the item's barcode. Here are the top 5 defects for this product from February 1, 2023 till July 26, 2023. Do you want to see a detailed view of the results?
What is the most critical defect since March 2023?
The most critical defect I have identified for this product is related to the component, control panel, with a description of scratched and a severity level of high. The defect ID is 1285, and its priority index is 100.0. For more details, click on the link below.
Which other products have this defect?
Do you want to continue with the defect, control panel, scratched, with severity high, or do you have another defect in mind? I found 213 products affected by the defect, control panel, scratched, with severity high, from January 1, 2018 till July 26, 2023. Here are the 10 products that are affected by this defect most.
How many defects have been recorded for this product?
The defect count for this product from January 1, 2018 till July 26, 2023 is 8,938.
How many defects have been recorded for this product since March 2023?
The number of recorded defects is 998.
COALA conducts daily checks to identify defects with a high priority index. Upon detection, it promptly highlights the relevant checklist steps associated with these defects as recommended steps. Lab supervisors can review these recommendations and make informed decisions by either accepting, rejecting, or setting an expiration date accordingly.
I want to review checklist recommendations.
Please scan the item's barcode with your app. On the 26th of July 2023, the following steps were added to this product's checklist as recommended. As the lab supervisor, your input is required to either approve or deny the recommended steps of the quality control checklist. Do you approve them? Okay, would you like to change or set the expiration date for the steps that are marked as recommended? What is the expiry time you have in mind? You can say the end of the week.
1st of August 2023.
Thank you for setting the expiration date for the recommended steps. I have updated the expiration date as the 1st of August 2023.
COALA uses historical production data to make predictions about the most probable group of defects and the number of defective orders. COALA promotes transparency by granting users the ability to inquire about the reasoning behind these predictions.
Which predictions do you support?
Currently, I support the following predictions. I predict that the most probable defect group is Porta FR, with ID 3000. There is something interesting about the combination of the following factors.
Predict the number of orders that will show defects.
12 orders are predicted to have a defect tomorrow.
If you would like to know more about COALA Assistant, you can check them at COALA Demo Space project website and subscribe to our newsletter.